Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, I have a mermaid. And I have a tail right there. I have a tail right there. I have a tail right there. And then I need to open it.
Are you shy? She's shy now. Show me the tail. Show me her tail. Where?
There.
Oh, right there. What color? Color
Purple.
purple? No, the real tail. That's orange.
Orange.
Yeah, and look at her her mermaid, guys.
Open later, guys. Open. Start waving my friend.
So you're going to show to your friend?
Yeah.
How much is that? No price?
Price.
No price?
Price.
Oh. I think this is expensive, my love.
No.
We're not going to buy that now.
No. I want to buy that.
What?
I want to buy that.
That one?
Look.
What's that?
Pink, yellow, blue. And
Oh.
other colors.
So how about your doll?
I have blue, pink. Look, I have no. No pink. Pink. I have.
This one?
Mom.
Not this one.
That one.
What? This one?
Yeah.
This one? Yeah.
Look, check out the back, guys.
How much is that?
18
18? Expensive, my love.
to 18.
To $18?
Yeah, 18.
$18?
Guys, to 18. To 18.
$18 daw, Dad? Are you going to buy that, Dad? Dad?
Dad, I'm talking you.
Go ask your daddy.
Ready?
And say, Dad?
Dad.
No daw. What daddy said? Daddy said no?
Yeah.
How about your mermaid? Ask your daddy.
Dad,
Huh?
say yes.
Daddy say yes?
Yes, a mermaid. Yes, a mermaid. A mermaid, Dad. A mermaid, the eye.
Huh? Mermaid talking?
Tia, Tia. Tia, Dad. Dad, your name is Tia.
No.
Let's say Tia.
What are you buying
Let's
another
say
one?
Tia.
Keep your voice down.
Tia. Tia.
We want to go to Walmart. How much is that thing?
Princess.
I don't know. She said $18 daw. $18 expensive. We're not going to buy that.
Dad.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to buy it.
Dad. I want to kill that. Dad.
What's that? You wanna buy that too? That one? Agoy.
Where do you put it back? Leo, where's your Put the thing down, girl.
Plate phone, porcelain, teapot.
Mom, I find it there.
There?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, nothing. Mermaid. Mermaid. Hey! Here. Okay, we're going to find noisy flappy.
There. Look at her. It's outside.
Mm. Tell daddy.
Still holding on to that thing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start keeping you in the car, right? Like when you want something. Gonna pass. Oh,
Hug your daddy again. Hug your daddy. Say hug your daddy. Say thank you, dad.
he's so slick, huh?
Say thank you, dad.
No more.
Oh, more. She want more.
No, Ken.
She want more.
Car body, come on.
Wala pa. Oh, car.
No, go ahead.
Me. Show me, show me. Look at me, look at me. Show me. Daddy buy the mermaid? You're... Oh, you go ahead.
Oh, that, help me.
Put some in the back of the seat.
Show me, show me.
And then
How about the tail, Dad? Look at me. Happy?
Whoa!
Here for your hair.
Wow! For my hair down. Oh!
Mom.
Yes?
Dad, I'll rip it off.
Hmm?
I'll rip it. Oh, it's so strong. Dad, it's still strong.
Yeah.
I say away. Let's go away.
Hmm? Oh. Take it off.
Oh, nahulog,
Roll
nahulog.
band. Take it off.
Yeah.
What's holding it right there?
Oh, and then I tried to. No, and I tried.
You can see your dad.
See my dad?
Yeah.
Closer, closer.
Go sit down there. Go. Okay. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, look!
Here.
Look at your mermaid.
My mermaid. A free.
Huh?
My mermaid is free.
I thought your mermaid is free. Happy?
Take off the crown.
No, just like that. Cause I thought you're going to shoot to Raven. Shoot to Raven like still beautiful. And they're going to say, wow, I like your mermaid. Her mermaid, guys.
I said, wow, I want to sit down.
Okay, I'll take a hold your mermaid like that.
Okay, I'll name it.
Okay, I'll take a picture. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at me. Smile. Wait. Smile. Ah, that's nice.